the second day of spelling vocabulary class. Today we will learn some E family words. Along with the words and the cursive writing column, I have attached a new column which contains written meaning of the words beside. So, utter with me. Bed, laid, shade, flayed, fed, wed. Now, you can read the meanings here. Bed we all know, but we need to learn explaining the meaning, elaborating the words. So, a bed you know is a furniture where we sleep. So, there is a picture of a bed. Laid is the past tense of laid. We will come to it later. Shade is actually a shelter, especially the shelter which is open by three sides. So, shade. You have a picture of shade. Fled. Fled is the past tense of flee, that means escaping. Fed is the past tense of feed. Fed is to make someone eat something. And W-E-D, wed. Wed is to marry. Egg family words. E-G, egg. Beg, leg, egg, cake, pig. You can see a picture of a boy who is begging. Beg is to ask for something as charity. And leg we all know that it is a body part, a lower limb. And egg. It is very difficult to explain egg in written words or written forms. Egg we all know because this is our favorite food. But we can say that this is a round object from which birds and insects are born. Cake. Cake, it's maybe an unfamiliar word for you. This is drum. And pig is nothing but a clip. Now E-double-L family words. We should start with bell, tell, fell, smell, shell, spell, well. Please pronounce these words along with me. Bell, bell we all know. And this is a favorite article when Christmas comes. And we sing jingle bell, jingle bell. So, while explaining, you can say this is a hollow cup-shaped round sound instrument. Tell is saying something, speaking. Fell is the past tense of fall. Fall, you got the picture of fall in the previous presentation. And smell. Smell is to feel something by nose. Shell. Shell, actually the hard outer cover of an animal. You can see that there is a picture of a shell here. And in the previous class, you remember that there was a picture of a clam. So, the outer body of the clam is called shell. Spell. Spell, we need not say anything about it because we are learning spelling. So, we are breaking words and we are learning to break a word by letters or syllables. And well, when it is used as a noun, well is actually a underground water resource. You can see a picture of a well. Now come to EN, N family words. We can start with 10, den, men. Please read with me. pen, hen, when. 10 we all know that this is a cardinal number. Cardinal number, you know? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the cardinal numbers. And first, second, third, fourth, these are the ordinal numbers. So 10 is a cardinal number. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Den. Den is the room of wild animals like lion. You can see a lion taking rest inside a den. Men is the plural form of man. There is some men standing. No one is happy. Okay, pen. Pen, we all know that this is a writing instrument and you all have pens in your pencil box. Hen is chicken. Yes, and this is a female word. When. When is actually when we ask something at what time you did this work. So when you use, then we use when. So there is no picture of when, but learn the meaning. Eight family words. E.T. Set, bet, let, met, pet, wet, net. When used as a verb, set is actually arrange, is to arrange. But when we use it as a noun, it is actually a collection of things. You can see a set of dinner set here. Bet, to take challenge. Yes, we say I bet. No? So we use bet like that. Let is to approve someone. Yes, when we say that let him come, like that. Mate is the past form of meat. Pet. Pet we all love. Domestic animal kept in the house. So we love our pets. Do you have any pet? See, that little boy has 2 pets. He has 2 dogs. Wet is to be drenched, to be soaked with water. See the boy, he is completely soaked with water. A net is an equipment to catch fish. Now the last family words, E-Y, like key, K-E-Y, key, money, donkey, monkey, valley, chimney. Key, we use it to open our door. Money we all need, and that's why we all know that money in India it is rupees. You can see so much money. Deer. Donkey is an ass. Monkey, look there, a cute monkey is there. Valley, you know what is valley? Valley is actually a beautiful land, plain land between 2 mountains. And chimney, there is a picture of chimney. Look at it and identify the chimney. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it's to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, you like the song? Yes, this is one of our favorite most song. We all like it and we all love Santa. So, in our class, we will not study only. Along with studying, we will practice some cultural activities. We will learn to sing, we will learn to dance, we will learn to paint, we will do anything. We will finish our study and then we will sing, dance and enjoy. So, you got this word bell in today's class, and now we have a song, a favorite song with bell. So I have given you the lyrics. Please practice this song with these lyrics and enjoy. Again, you take your handwriting copy, write all these words in cursive style, pronounce words while writing, learn the meanings of the words from pictures given and the columns, mark up spellings and memorize meanings. But added to this, please sing Jingle Bell song. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Enjoy. Again, you take your handwriting copy, write all these words in cursive style, pronounce words while writing, learn the meanings of the words from pictures given and the columns, mark up spellings and memorize meanings. But added to this, please sing Jingle Bell song. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Enjoy.